Hello everyone, this is Prithvi Raj and welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about business intelligence. First, let us see what do you mean by business intelligence data mining cycle. So in short, it is called as BIDM. The nature of life and business is to grow. Businesses that use many techniques for understanding their environment and predict the future for their own benefit. In this BIDM cycle, we can see we have business data mining and intelligence. So businesses that uses the data, and from the data they are going to mine, or they're going to extract some intelligence or facts from this data, and based on that intelligence that will be applicable to the business once again, so that it forms a cycle. That is why it is called as a BIDM cycle. BI for better decisions. You know that there exists a risk in a business. So people usually they use palm tree, crystal balls, then astrology. So such things to mitigate the risk in order to take the decision. So in decision making, they are going to reduce the risk. So either they may go for palm tree or crystal balls or astrology. So these businesses that calculate the risk and make decisions that based on the broad set of facts and insights. Nowadays, because of the internet, use of internet and the mobile technologies that allows the decision to be made anywhere, anytime. Business decision types. There are mainly two types of decision that can be taken. One is called as a strategic decision and another is operational decisions. In case of strategic decisions, the goal itself may or may not be clear, and the same is true for the path to reach that goal. In the strategic decisions, it is like we are going to apply the strategies. So we don't know whether we'll get the exact result or not, but just applying the strategies may or may not we may get the proper result. Another is the operational decisions, so that can be made more efficient, that can be done by using the previous data or past data. So based on the analysis of the past data or the existing data, we can apply the operational decisions, and in these decisions will be having exact result or the effective result we may get based on the operational decisions. BI tools or business intelligence tools. This can be range from a simple tool that could be considered end user tool to very sophisticated tool that offer very broad and complex set of functionality. Either we may have a very simple tool or the complicated tool. One of the major tool that we already studied, that is called as a spreadsheet. So this is one of the Microsoft Excel that can act as an easy but effective BI tool by itself. One more is dashboarding system such as IBM Cognos or Tableau. So that can offer sophisticated set of tools for gathering, analyzing and presenting the data. So this picture that represents the spreadsheet tool. So this is also one of the tool that can be used to analyze the data. And another is, as we discussed, is the dashboard system. So these two are the tools that is used in a business intelligence. Thank you.